Hello everybody and welcome back to RS Trains. My name is Corey, and fellow O-Gauge model railroaders, I terribly need your help. If you're not really into O-Gauge or HO, but you still know wiring, you might be able to help me out. So, please keep watching. So this is my layout so far. It's pretty messy because we're trying to do so much wiring, and then I'm just trying to be like, oh, let me make the world's longest freight train. So here's what I need help on, really badly. So, right here, I'm going to have a road that's going to run kind of diagonal through, and it's going to go straight through here. But I got me some really nice little Railking railroad crossings, if it focuses on them, which are the Railking crossing flasher with sound. So it has a little speaker, and it has this guy here, which are both really nice. I tested them on a test transformer, and they both work very well. They actually have like a timed light, so it's like doop, 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 and then the bell, of course, has this little ding dong sound. But here's what I need help with. I have no clue how to wire these because this instruction doesn't help me at all. I've tried wiring every single way I know how, and how the instructions tell it is like, okay, I have my insulated piece of track, and you're supposed to have an insulated rail on each side. So I have one insulated rail on here, and behind the blue comet over there, there is another insulated rail, which I will show you, which I kind of made little deeper cuts with, just so, like, you know, it's insulated, so it's right there with the Sharpie. So that makes this whole inside rail insulated, which I'm pretty sure, because there's no, like, wires underneath connecting, like, you know, from one part of the insulation to the other part. So, according to the instructions, it's supposed to be that the black wire here is connected to this inside rail, and the red wire is connected to the transformer. I've tried both transformers. The ZW is for all three tracks here, and then including those two accessories over there. And then I'm using my accessory transformer here, which is going to be for like my other buildings and lights and everything. So I've already tried running the red wire to that. I've tried every single way I know how. It's like, you know, both to this, or trying one to the other, or both, and I can't get them to work like they should, because how I'm pretty sure it should work is that the train, or anything with metal, as long as it has a metal wheel, will roll onto the insulated rail, and that will trip the thing, and that will cause for the gate and the sound to go off. And, like, you know, once it's finished going through the insulated rail, then it stops. But how this works is the second I apply power... Oh, sorry, little guy. The second I apply power, they go off, but they shouldn't go off because, like, you know, there's no trains over the rails. I've made sure to test that time and time again. And every time I turn the power on, like I did right there, so like I have the power on, that will cause for the signals to go off when they shouldn't be going off. So I really badly need your guys' help on this issue because it's so hard. Or at least, I just wish they could make it easier. I wish it could be like the Lionel thing, where it's like you just have a plate on the track and then the train goes by. Or even infrared, that'd be so much easier. I really need your guys' help on how to wire these crossings. Because once I get these crossings wired, I can start decorating the whole layout. Because at this point, it's technically halfway done. I got all the switches underneath the layout, all the bus wiring done, which took a really long time, but it's done. If you can, or if you know anything or anyone who could possibly help me with this, I would be very, very appreciative. So yeah. Anyways, I'm not going to end the video here because I have model trains out, and I know you guys probably want to see them run, so let's watch them run.